Hey everybody, this is Kevin with Texas Yard Man and More. Today, this is my 2010 Dodge Charger, and I'm going to show you how to replace the air cabin filter for your AC system. And if you just come around to the front here, I've got the hood open already. This is really easy to do, but in case you're wondering, over here on the passenger side, you'll see a cover right here. There's two clips. You just remove those, take this cover off, set it to the side, and inside here you'll see a little cover, plastic cover. You just flip that back and it's on there pretty tight. There we go, came down. And inside here you'll see your filter, and we'll go ahead and just grab it, pull it out. Here's your air cabin filter. This one is dirty. I'm gonna go ahead and buy another one. I don't have one right now, but I just figured I'd show you how to do it. You get your new one, and then on your filter you'll see some arrows, and you want to make sure you put the filter in where the arrows are pointing towards the cabin. Your airflow is going to be coming from the engine compartment area, and this one is pointing towards the cabin. You go ahead and flip your cover back up, put your outside bezel on, just snaps into place, and that's all there is to it. And it's probably like this on some of the older generation Chargers. So if you've got this little compartment right here, then you know that's where your air cabin filter is. If you got anything out of this video, I appreciate it if you would give me a like, hit that thumbs up button, and hit that subscribe button even more, because it helps my channel. Also, if you want to be notified of any future videos, hit that notification bell in the upper right hand corner. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.